Ryan's old family versus the royalty family details. Real name and age 2026. Number 1. Luan Kaji. Date of birth 28 April 1984. Real age in 2026 42 years old. Profession: Loan Kaji is a YouTube content producer, media manager, and entrepreneur. She is responsible for producing and managing content for the Ryan's World channel. Birth sign: Taurus. Birthplace: Vietnam. Number 2. Shion Kaji. Date of birth 13 September 1987. Real age in 2026 39 years old. Profession: Shion Kaji is a producer, actor and writer. He is involved in producing content for Ryan's World and manages Sunlight Entertainment. Birth sign: Virgo. Birthplace: Tokyo, Japan. Number 3. Ryan Kaji. Date of birth 6 October 2011. Real age in 2026 15 years old. Profession: Ryan Kaji is a YouTuber, content creator, child actor, and entrepreneur. He creates and manages content for Ryan's World and his family's media ventures. Birth sign: Libra. Birthplace: United States. Number 4. Emma Kaji. Date of birth 19 July 2016. Real age in 2026 10 years old. Profession: Emma Kaji is a child actress and YouTube star. She appears in Ryan's World content and participates in toy review videos. Birth sign: Cancer. Birthplace: United States. Number 5. Kate Kaji. Date of birth 19 July 2016. Real age in 2026 10 years old. Profession: Kate Kaji is a child actress and YouTube star who appears in Ryan's World and family media project. Birth sign: Cancer. Birthplace: United States. The family details: real name and age. Number 1. Andrea Espada. Date of birth 17 August 1986. Real age in 2026 40 years old. Profession: Colombian television personality who found fame as the host of UFC Now. She is also well known for her very popular Instagram account. Birth sign: Leo. Birthplace: Colombia. Number 2. Ali Saleh. Date of birth 25 November 1977. Real age in 2026 48 years old. Profession: Ali Saleh, who is known as a member of the Royalty Family YouTube channel, is a Lebanese Colombian internet personality, content creator, and entrepreneur. Birth sign Sagittarius. Birthplace Lebanon. Number 3. King Ferhan. Date of birth 26 July 2010. Real age in 2026 16 years old. Profession: he is a popular child social media star, YouTuber and fashion influencer known for appearing on the Royalty Family channel with his mother and stepfather. Birth sign Leo. Birthplace Colombia. Number 4. Milan Espada. Date of birth on June 2020. Real age in 2026 5 years old. Profession: child social media star, YouTube personality and content creator. Birth sign Gemini. Birthplace United States. Number 5. Blue Amal Saleh. Date of birth 10 January 2023. Real age in 2026 3 years old. Profession: child star and the youngest member of the Royalty Family YouTube channel. Birth sign Capricorn. Birthplace United States.